guys, thanks for tuning in for today's mini lesson. Today we're going to learn one part about writing about our stories. In your homework a lot, we ask you guys to write about the story that you read. Today we're going to become better writers by adding something to that, okay? So I've been doing a lot of reading while we've been at home, and I just recently read one of my favorite books. It's called Mother Bruce. Have you guys read this before? If you haven't, I suggest you read it while you're at home because it is a really great book and I really, really enjoy it. So I now have read it and I want to write about it so I can share that with other people that I know in hopes that they would like to read about it. So if I just write, though, they're not going to know what story I'm talking about. So I need to start by writing the title of the story and the author, just in case there's any titles of books that are similar. They know exactly who the author was, okay? So on my whiteboard today, I'm going to show you guys how to start that sentence, okay? So my story was Mother Bruce, and it was written by Ryan T. Higgins. So before I start writing, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add that to my whiteboard. So if this is my paper, this is my spot to do my drawing up top, right? I'm going to write, I read Mother Bruce. And instead of saying the author is, we can just say by, because that means the story was written by someone. We're going to use that sight word, by. And then I can look at my book again and just copy it right from the story. Ryan T. Higgins. Okay, so now anybody who is reading my writing knows exactly what story I'm talking about. Okay, and now I can write the sentence that I want to start with. I'm going to write about my favorite part. So I would say, I read Mother Bruce by Ryan T. Higgins. And then I'm going to use my other sentence starters to keep going. I like when, and I would finish that sentence with my favorite part of the story, okay? So your challenge for today and this week, when you are writing about reading after you read a book, just like we ask you, I want you to start by telling us the title of the story and the author before you write your sentence, okay? It's going to be a big challenge, but I know you can do it. Have fun, boys and girls.